The Jefferson Memorial glows in soft golden light. Its marble columns rise from the edge of the Tidal Basin, their reflection rippling gently across the water. Inside, Jefferson stands surrounded by words that shaped the nation. From above, the view feels timeless. Ahead is the White House, standing proud at 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue. The fountain sparkles in the light, a calm contrast to the constant movement of the city around it. Every president since John Adams has lived here, and its white walls carry more stories than almost any home in America. The Washington Monument towers over the National Mall, its reflection stretching perfectly across the still water of the reflecting pool. From the Lincoln Memorial steps, the symmetry feels almost unreal. This is the view that has witnessed some of the most powerful moments in American history. Next comes the United States Capitol. Its grand dome anchors the city, shining against the sky. Inside, debates and decisions shape the country's future. From above, it looks steady and strong, a symbol of both progress and perseverance. From the air, Washington, D.C. unfolds like a story told in architecture. The monuments, the green spaces, the carefully aligned avenues, they all connect the past with the present. It's a city built to remind us where we've been and where we're going. Each landmark tells a piece of the American story. Ideals, challenges, triumphs, all reflected in stone and light. From this view, you can see it all: the history, the hope, and the heart of the Capitol.